Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to free up your C drive if your C drive is full and you don't have D drive more space. So there are many ways that you can get more space. The first option I will show you. This is very easy and simple, and you no need to remove any your software or delete any things. First method I will show you, very simple and very important. Now first of all, open your C drive, then come here on the users. Now in users you will have to click on your what you call this user name, user account name. Right click on that, click on properties, and you can see here there is lots of space in that my user account, my user is taking. So how I will take these without affecting your data? Our all data will be in the same places, same folders, but we will change it. Now here you can see, let me just remove this hidden files. Now as you can see here there is lots of things. Now if I click on my right click on my desktop and click on properties, now in case maybe your desktop is showing more, okay, so what I will have to do is I have to transfer this into my D drive. Now here in properties, click on location. Now as you can see here, it is showing that this is C drive. Now I have to take it into my D drive. Now simply I will remove this C and I will write here D, and then after that I will remove all these users. I will keep this admin, desktop and D drive, and then simply copy this and then click on OK and click on yes, and it will transfer all your data to your D drive. In my case I already have done, because if I go to my D drive and you will see here desktop, and all my desktop is here. So it is already, I have made this setting. Now after that, same thing you have to do with documents, location, and then remove all this and click on paste and then apply. Yes, and it will create a folder, and it will even not affect your the documents and files will be in the same position, same location area, but from behind backend it will move your all documents into the D drive. Same thing I will do with the downloads, because I already have, so it is not showing. So this is the way, this is our first method. Now in the second method, if you are not going to solve this Also you can do with videos and pictures. In case if it's not working with you, there is another way that you will see here. I have one application. Now this, what will do this application? It will analyze my device, where is, which file and folder is taking more data, consuming more storage. Now here I will, if I click, I will give you link in description for this application. It's a very amazing application. So if I click on analyze drive, it will take a few minutes to analyze, and you will see here stats that free is 29 GB, 29.7, and total is 122.7 GB. After analyzing, you will be able to see which file and folder is consuming more data, and we can delete it, and we can make we can make some more we can free up some more space in our C drive. So while we are doing this, you can go ahead and even you can go to the Google, and you can download this application here in Google. I will click simply go to the Google and type ACE utilities and download the first one. Simply click on download and install it. Because I already have installed. Now here in this cleanup, you will see remove junk files. Also you can clean your system registry. Now while we are working in this, we will check another things also, other features of this app. If you click on remove junk files and simply click on scan, and you will see here in the right down corner how many junk files it will be founded, and we will delete, and after deleting these files we will even free up over more space in our C drive. So first method I have shown you, that transfer your user location into the D drive, and then second, just we are waiting for this one, and the third one is we are checking and removing junk files, that unwanted files in our system, and it will also free up your space in your computer. So it is taking a little bit time because it has to scan all our drive, old drive, C drive. So I will keep this scanning, and over this analysis is working here. This is also, as you can see, because I already have in your case, maybe you will be able to get 2 GB or 1.5 GB junk files. Simply delete all and empty your recycle bin, and you will be able to get. Now here, as you can see here in our disk analysis, you can see here in C drive, Windows is taking 33.6 program files, and this is also here program data and users and all these things. Now if I click on program data, you will see here Filmora is taking 5.7 GB. It is consuming too much. Now here if I scroll little bit down and then I will go to Wondershare and default effects. Because in my case I need these files, so I will not delete these files. In your case we will see like here in this Casper Lab. Now if I go to the C drive, program data, I will click on hidden items. Now program data and then Casper Sky, I will search for it. I will delete these files, so in case I will get more space. Now like this you can find some more files that you want to delete and free up your space. So these are the three ways I have shown you. Now the final and fourth method I will show you. This is also very great and free of cost. I have one application here, it's called Mini Tool Partition Wizard. This is a free tool. You don't need to pay any amount because it's totally free. So we don't need to buy this. As you can see here, even it is showing free. So it's simply go to Google and type partition wizard free. First one, click here and delete partition, and you will get three options: Pro, Server Edition and free. Just simply download the free version, and after installing, as you can see here, I have opened this one. Now what here we will do without installing new Windows in our computer, we will take space from the D drive to C drive. Okay, so how we will do it? How many GB we will take from here into the C drive? Because I already have done this a few minutes ago, so that's why it is showing that I have around 37 GB free. Now in case we will do, simply right click on your C drive and then click on extend. If you click on extend, and immediately you will get all stats here, and it will give you, see, take free space from D drive. It is automatically, it has already calculated and how many GB it will be, this software will be able to give you. It will show you here that maximum 25 GB you can take, but it is better that you can take just 12.5 GB. So in my case, because I already have Maiden, so I will just simply take just 5 GB. If you click on OK, now what is our next move? We have to apply. If you click on apply, now let me show you my C. You can see here 127 GB and this is 328 GB. If I click on apply, click on yes, it will start taking all free space from D to C drive. So still you have to watch on this area, and after because it is taking a little bit time, so I will just simply pause the video recording till it ends. As you can see here, applied all the pending changes successfully. If I click on OK, and if I go to my computer, as you can see here, it has maiden, because maybe in my case it doesn't work, because this is a free version, so within 24 hours only it works just once. So I have made my move already. So in your case you can do it one time within 24 hours easily. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobile. Thank you.